So the focus right now, certainly for the mid to near term, Martin, is indeed on the core MTS business and on the core Allstream business. And we can talk about the Allstream strategy in a moment. But in terms of MTS, again, we're talking about organic 1 to 3% growth in top line. We're talking about those margin expansions. And as you rightly point out, we're talking about a more productive capital investment program. Now, when you do that, you are generating free cash flow in excess of that which is required to sustain the current dividend.
Yes.
So that then gives rise to opportunities to either increase the dividend or reinvest that in new lines of business. So one of them that we are obviously investing in is our data center. So in July, we will be opening the new MTS data center here in the province, first commercially rated Tier 3 data center in the province, and state-of-the-art across Canada. That represents kind of a step away from the core, okay? But a natural extension from the core telecommunications business. When we look at our acquisition of Epic, that gave us information capabilities to go with our C, communication capabilities, so that we could take an integrated information and communication technology offering into the business solutions marketplace here in the province of Manitoba. So again, there's the core, and then what we call the near adjacency. And we see opportunity for near adjacency growth by utilizing some of this excess free cash flow that our strategy anticipates creating. And I would say to you, and I understand where you come from in terms of not sexy. This truly is about block and tackle. This is a mature company in a mature industry, okay? And so for us, we recognize that we have an opportunity here to, in turn, mature this business quite nicely in terms of modest revenue growth and productivity, and at the same time look at that platform as an opportunity to create new lines of business go forward. So the first, again, was the data center. What comes after that is very much a to be determined. Right now, the focus is on taking what we have and making it stronger, so that as you think about layering on subsequent levels, then you have no fear that the base is going to collapse below it.